Hello, everyone, and welcome to the EpiSeedLink podcast, a podcast where we explore how international collaborations are transforming science. So, I'm Kingsley from Nigeria, and joining me here today are Paolo from Brazil and Lile from China, two amazing PhD researchers who have been part of the exciting international research project. So, today we'll be talking about how crossing borders, both literally and scientifically, is changing the way we do research. So, having said that, I would love to ask my guest today, what is international collaboration?
Thank you, Kingsley, for your question. I am Paolo, and what I want to say is when we talk about international research, we mean projects where researchers from different countries bring their expertise together. These collaborations often involve labs, universities, and institutions across Europe, and sometimes companies too. A great example is the EpiSeedLink project that we are into. It brings together research from all over the world to understand how seed priming and epigenetics can help plants deal with stress. But it's important to say what is epigenetics. So epigenetics is the study of how plants can remember stressful events without changing their DNA by switching genes on or off in different ways. This helps them respond better to challenges like drought or disease.
For me, international cooperation is like supporting and helping each other. With an EpiSeedLink, we tend to share our data, which leads to the chance publish paper together from different groups. And we also actively discussion about the issue during our PhD career. Then different scientific cultures often approach problem differently, right? And this diversity really brings a new solution.
Thank you very much, Paolo and Lei, for those interesting comments. Having said that, now let's share a few stories from international fellows. So, both of you have worked abroad. How has this really shaped your experiences?
Yes, we all of us have a lot of experience with this. So now I'm based in Madrid, in Spain, where I'm doing my PhD officially. But I already visited France in a different university and Germany in a company during my PhD, and these both situations were completely different because in a company I can see how is the business world and how is science inside a company can works and how I can apply this for my project. In the university was really interesting too because I was working with another group different from mine, so I get experiences about a new techniques that I'm applying in my project that we call it immunofluorescence. So to clarify better, immunofluorescence is a way scientists use glowing markers to see specific parts inside cells. So with this knowledge, I can improve my results and confirm the results I get previously in both, just in the company in Madrid too.
I fully agree with Paulo. Every PhD in EpiSeedLink did segments in different group. I guess all of us had learned lots, not only new techniques, but also know how to better cooperate with each other. For me, I think cooperation really saved me a lot of time. For instance, when I present my research and discuss about it with all the supervisor as well as the PhD in our annual meeting, I comment about the need for a specific plant line for one part of my project. Then David Alabadi, one of the supervisor of EpiSeedLink, said they have this plant line and they are willing to offer some seed to me. I mean, it's really helped me a lot and save a lot of time because in our research, create a new line is like take 1 year at least.
Wow, that's so interesting. And beyond science, for instance, it's also a human experience because learning to work with people from different backgrounds really impacts you positively.
Yeah, exactly. Diversity bring creative. When we bring together, when the people sit together with different way of thinking, new idea emerge, especially in the science.
Also, international collaborations often push you to communicate more clearly, whether in English or across cultural differences, mainly because in the annual meetings we have people from different countries with different accents and you need to know how to communicate better, mainly in the scientific language. That improves not just our research, but your leadership and interpersonal skills.
So at the end of the day, whether you're in lab in Galway, a field in Germany, or even a conference in Amsterdam, science today is more global than ever. International collaborations aren't just helpful, they're indeed essential. Having said this, I would love to thank Paulo for joining us today,
Thank you, Kingsley. It was a pleasure to be here.
and also Lei for joining us.
Thank you.
And also thank you everyone for listening to this EpiSeedLink podcast. And remember, great science doesn't happen in isolation, it happens together. Bye.